Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to connect Headway to MT5 aka MetaTrader 5. And for this, first of all, what we're gonna do is we click here on My Accounts, and then from here we click on Create New and create a new demo account. Then right here we click on Standard, we do Next. Then we select right here MetaTrader 5 and then we do Next. Select here the leverage, I do 1. USD is fine, initial amount 15k is fine, and then create right here your passwords. Then from now we do create account, and right here we have our login and our password, and we need to save this for the later step that I will show you. So first now we click here on MetaTrader 5 to download the Headway 5 setup exe. Click on that, then we do yes, next. And then right now he is downloading this. I place this a little bit to my other screen because now we have a clear view for our terminal in a few seconds. Click now here on finish. And then right here you will find here the Headway application called Yarosell. And then we do from here next. Then now we click here on connect with an existing trade account. And now we go back to Headway and we copy our login code. I will show it you exactly right here. So we copy now this code and paste it right there. And we go back to the website and we copy this code right here and paste it here in our password place. Now we do finish and there it is. Now we connected our Headway to our MT5. So this is exactly how this works. Hopefully this is the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.